Tranquility Beach Anguilla.
And we're going to be hanging out with Sam, who is one of their famous mixologists, and he's going to be showing us how to make his signature cocktail.
My name is Sam. I work for Tranquility Beach. Today I want to give you one of my most famous cocktails that I used to make on the beach when it's warm, on a nice beautiful sunny day, or on your balcony. And it's a simple drink, very simple to make, but it's very refreshing. Actually, the name for this is a Frozen Ginger Mojito.
Yeah.
That sounds refreshing.
Alright, so first I'm going to do, I'm going to show you all my ingredients I have here on the table. This is the ginger, all the ginger juice that I squeeze, freshly squeezed ginger. Here I have some freshly squeezed lime juice. This is the fresh mint from my garden. I have a little garden that I grow here, and I produce my own mint, and I love it. I love the work with mint. And I have the pure blue agave. Instead of using the sugar, which is more calories, I use agave. This is really good to work with. Now I'm going to show you how I actually make it. Like I said again, it's very simple. This is the all the nice ginger, fresh ginger that I squeeze, all juice. So I'm gonna pour a little this. Just a little bit of that right there, right? Yeah. I'm gonna add just a little bit of some fresh mint. This is fresh mint that's picked from my garden. Just put that in there. Then I'm gonna add just a little bit freshly squeezed lime juice. Just a little bit.
Perfect when it's so hot outside.
I'm going to add just a little bit. This stuff is good to work with. It's very less fattening. It's called it's agave. It's a blue agave. It's really nice to work with. It's better than sugar. So this is why I use this. Just a little bit in there. Don't want it too sweet. Then I'm going to add ice. Taste of it, see how this tastes, you gotta balance it, Oh my goodness. I love it. Perfect on the first shot.
Wow. Your signature cocktail.
This is so beautiful.
I can't wait to try it.
Yeah, I can smell it.
The best part about this drink is that you taste the mint. And then the last taste you're gonna bring out the ginger as you smell. It's so refreshing.
Wow, the kick of ginger. I tasted the mint and then the kick of ginger. Wow, that's really good. It's so refreshing.
Alright guys, there you have it. That's Sam's famous ginger mojito. See you at Tranquility Beach.